Good morning to all. Good morning to all. This is Manaswini here to tell classification of matrices. First, matrix. Matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array of elements. Here, generally, elements are numbers. This was introduced by James Joseph Sylvester or J.J. Sylvester. This was developed by Arthur Kelly. Classification of elements. Classification of matrices. Classification of matrices. First, row matrix. Row matrix. If a matrix contains only one row, then it is called as row matrix. Example: 3, 2, 1. This is the example of row matrix. Second, column matrix. If a matrix contains only one column, then it is called as column matrix. Example: 3, 2, 1. Here this is row and this is column. Null matrix. In a matrix, if all the elements are 0, then it is called as null matrix. Example: 0, 0, 0. Here the order of this matrix is 2 by 2 because it is having two rows and two columns. Next, square matrix. In a matrix, the number of rows and the number of columns are equal, then it is called as square matrix. Example: 3, 1, 2, 6, 8, 1, 10, 11, 12. Here the order of matrix is this is a 3 by 3 matrix. It has 3 columns, 3 rows, 3 columns and 3 rows. Next, rectangular matrix. If a matrix, the number of rows and the number of columns are not equal, then it is called as rectangular matrix. Example of rectangular matrix: 3, 2, 1, 6, 8, 9. Here the rows and the columns are not equal. The order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Next, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. In a matrix, if all its non-diagonal elements are 0, then it is called as diagonal matrix and it should be a square matrix. Example of diagonal matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2. Here this is a square matrix and this is an example of diagonal matrix. The non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are diagonal elements. Next, scalar matrix. In a matrix, if the non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are equal, then it is called as scalar matrix. Example of scalar matrix is 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Here the non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are equal and it is a square matrix also. Next, identity matrix. In a matrix, the non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are identity. Then it is called as identity matrix. The example of identity matrix: 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are identity. It means 1. Identity matrix is also known as unit matrix. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. I observed that this is the best performance because of all types of matrices and explanation without any hesitation. This type of explanation I want from everyone. Okay? Give a big hand all of you.